Today on XDA Developer TV, we look at Instagram for Android, iOS, and Windows Phone 8. Alright, here we go. Let's go ahead and open up Instagram. And let's go ahead and try to find it here in the store on Windows Phone. And wait now. Where is it? There's nothing. All I have is a wallpaper and a lock screen and a third-party program called Metrogram. Oh, let's throw this one away. I guess there is no Instagram yet for Windows Phone. Let's go ahead and get these two positioned for the actual shootout. So, as you can see here, they're both showing very similar data. Pretty well identical. And scroll down, you can see a couple of my pictures and then some from people that I'm actually following. And same data. If you notice any jerkiness on the Android side, that's just because this is running a third-party ROM on the Galaxy S2. If I was running the actual stock Samsung software, it would be much faster. As you can see, the Explorer always shows different data. Even if you just click refresh, it does show different data. So I'll go ahead and get into the take a picture mode here. Take from the front camera so we're both looking at the same thing here. There we go. So we'll just take the same picture on both. And as you can see down below, there's a pile of different filters. Just gonna go for something quick here. Inkwell is a nice black and white. Pretty high contrast black and white. So I'll go ahead in that. And as you can see, you can rotate the screen all you want. Right around. And then this puts a border on or off. Same thing on Android. And here we go is vignetting. Basically blurs out the edges of the picture. It's something you normally don't want unless it's a stylistic choice, but still looks pretty good. And here's some top and bottom vignetting options. I'll go ahead and put the picture back the same on both. And here we go. Now this is a contrast setting that just darkens the darks and brightens the brights, as you can see on both. Here we go. We'll go ahead into the next page here. I'll click it again here on iOS. There we go. And you can just put in a caption for what you want to call the picture. I'm just doing this real quick so I can get them put up for you. You can add the photos to a photo map. It just uses your GPS location data and places it on a map. Actually, I'll show you how to get into that a little later. I don't use it very much myself, but there's all the different Facebook, email, Flickr, Twitter, Tumblr. Apparently on Android you can't choose email. I'm not really sure why. I do have several emails set up, Gmail and a built-in one set up on Android, but it still will not let you choose email. So let's go ahead, post those, and bingo, you can see that they're both uploaded respectively. So let's go ahead and refresh the two pages here. And then you can see that both photos are now showing on both feeds. So we'll go over here to the following. The news and the you section are both the same, as you can see. I'm not sure why they're called different things, but they are both the same section. Here you go. You can see who you're following and a bunch of stuff they like and just a bunch of different stuff like that. So back to news. And like I said, back to the you, it's the exact same. No activity to show for me anyway. So let's go over to the actual profile page. Very similar layout. You can click here and actually just view the pictures instead of the words with them. Into your profile settings, you get your name, your handle, website, all the information you can put in. You can set your photos to private here as well, for iOS anyway. So if we go into photo map here, you can see it's just basically the map in behind, and it will show you where the photos were taken on the map. Like I said, I don't use that myself. And here we go into settings. You can set your photos to private, change push notification settings, profile picture, clear your search history. You can do pretty well everything you need to do in here. Both versions are very similar again. There's not really a whole lot of difference between the two, except for, like I said earlier, you can email using the iOS version of the app and not the Android app. So as you see, Instagram really does not care about the Windows Phone platform right now. There are some rumors that it may be trying to be pushed by Nokia for them to come out with an app, but we'll just have to wait and see what happens there. Currently, they're pretty similar on Android and iOS. It's just iOS actually gives you the further option to email your pictures, which Android does not. But I mean, you could take the long way around and just create an email and add the picture from the gallery once you create it in Instagram. It's just not an option from within. Other than that, they're pretty well identical. All the same options, same filters, same features. Everything just works. Thanks for checking out this episode of XDA Developer TV. You can check me out at youtube.com/ELECTROZ or at youtube.com/angrybeards. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, the like button, and hopefully we'll see you again next week.